In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up for a Salesforce exam with online proctoring. This is a crucial step to ensure you're all set for your big day. Let's dive into the process, which is relatively straightforward once you break it down. First, you'll want to create or log into your Trailhead profile. Make sure you use the same email for your profile that you've used or plan to use for your exams. You can access Trailhead by visiting trailhead.salesforce.com. Doing this is essential as it helps keep all your information consistent and accessible, especially when it comes time to register for your certification exam. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the certifications section. A simple hover over the menu will do, and then click on Browse All Certifications. This section is going to be your go-to for exploring all the certifications Salesforce has to offer. Now, under the Recommended Certifications section, search for the specific exam you're aiming to take. To make things easier, consider using the filter options available to you. You can sort them alphabetically or filter by product category, role, or the level of certification. This makes it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for without having to sift through irrelevant options. Once you've identified the certification exam you're interested in, click on it. This will take you to a page where you can check out all the important exam details. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this information, as it includes the role the certification is geared towards, any prerequisites you need, the cost of the exam, and what languages it's offered in. Feeling confident about your exam choice? Fantastic! The next step is to register, so click on Register or Register Now. For the mode of exam delivery, choose the online proctoring option. This setup allows you to take the exam remotely, which is great for convenience. Email inbox for a confirmation email. This email will contain all the important details about your exam, including the date, time, and any specific instructions you might need to follow on the day of the test. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to sit your Salesforce exam with remote proctoring. Take your time to go through each step carefully, and soon you'll be geared up to tackle that certification. Good luck, and I hope your exam day runs smoothly.